Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get the f down on the ground!
Wake up from a really bad dream.
A wrong move behind the wheel, a cheap lie in a parking lot.
Why the f are my cars being put? I'm not climbing the f down. Put my cars back down. Car on mine now.
Well, they look a lot like mine.
They were on the car.
A mother vanishing, leaving her kids in filth.
Well, there's cannabis pipe that's on the couch. You know, there's burnt cigarettes that are also on the couch.
Each one thought they could outrun the law, until the law caught up.
Yes or no?
You can't arrest me.
Yes, I can. Turn around.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
On November 2nd, 2021, an officer spotted 2 illegally parked cars on the street, one of them missing a license plate. After no one answered the door of the nearby house, he called for a tow truck. But just as the tow was underway, a woman stepped out, and things quickly spiraled out of control.
Miss,
Hi.
you have an association with this car?
Yeah, it's my boyfriend's car.
Can you prove ownership?
Yeah, I have a title. The problem was it wasn't running. That's why it's been parked right there. But
Okay, well,
tried to push it into the driveway.
We've been here for a half an hour trying to reach someone. So now they have it, and now you'll
But
have
I'm
to
right
make
here.
a right.
Is there any way you could just...
You don't own it. He doesn't own it.
Yes, we both own it.
Okay.
It is our car.
Is the title in your name?
It is in his name.
And that does us no good.
He lives here. Excuse me.
Okay.
Please, can you please make an exception?
I've been here for a half an hour. I banged on your door. Got nothing.
I didn't hear it.
Okay. So he
Can
can
you
go
please
show
not-
proof and he can pick it up.
Please make an exception and help me push it into the driveway so that we don't
No,
have
because
to
you
deal
don't
with
even
that.
own it, miss.
Yes, we do.
No, you said some
Yes.
other person who's not here owns it.
Okay.
And they didn't register it. So they can
We
go
just got it like
to the
the
tow
other day.
yard, show proof, and pick it up.
Hello? Jester, they're towing the B7 and they're about to tow Mitch's car, so you guys should get back here. The B7 is still right here, but the police officer is not letting me take possession of our car.
Someone else were here, and maybe I talked to them.
Can you hear that?
Okay, so I have to come talk to him. Do you go straight?
I guess so. They're taking the B7 right now. Like it's loaded up on the thing. He won't let me push it into our driveway.
He is coming with the other record for this one.
Get this going. Get it out of here.
He's saying, go ahead.
Go.
Want me to go?
Can I please have your business card?
Sure, but I need you to move out of the way.
No, not moving.
If you don't move, I'll arrest you, miss.
He's saying he's gonna arrest me if I don't move. They're going to be here in 5 minutes.
Move or
The tow-
you'll be arrested,
The tow
miss.
company can wait 5 minutes.
You're not the owner. I'm gonna count to 3,
They're
miss.
going to be here in 5 minutes.
You're gonna be arrested if you don't move.
They said, let me talk to my boyfriend real quick.
Move away, or you'll be arrested.
You can't arrest me when they're going to be here in 5
Wanna watch
minutes.
me? Are
Can
you an
you
adult?
At first, she seemed calm and tried to reason with the officer, but without legal proof or plates on the vehicle, her arguments went nowhere. Despite the clear violation, she physically blocked the tow truck, trying to assert control. But when you defy the law, reality doesn't bend, it pushes back.
No, I don't listen to you, miss.
Please stop your power
Last
trip.
chance. Last
Please
chance.
stop your
You
power
gonna move out of the way?
Please.
It's not your car. You're in the way.
Can you please listen to me?
No, you need to listen. Are you gonna move
Okay.
or not?
I will move.
Turn around. Place your hands behind your back.
Stay there. Just stay there.
No, they're gonna. He's saying he's gonna arrest me.
Turn around. Place your hands behind your back.
We're gonna sue the shit out of him. It's fine.
Okay. Are you gonna move or not?
Can you
Are you
please
refusing time?
minutes?
Third time. Turn around. Place your hands behind your back, or you're gonna be arrested. Yes or no?
You can't arrest me.
Yes, I can.
for
Turn
this.
around.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you don't have probable
Go
cause.
on to start.
You do not have probable cause. We're going
I'm trying
sue
not
the
to.
shit
I'm
out
trying
of
not to, but I can. Obstruction is the probable cause. All right. Now we go. Now you're under arrest. We're going through a lane.
Probably still takes 5 minutes.
Traffic 12. No, probably have a white female 1015. Have a seat. Watch your head.
10-4.
The woman was arrested for obstruction, but the chaos didn't end there. Her boyfriend arrived not with facts, but with fury. He stormed in like he owned the street, but all he earned was ridicule, not respect.
My car's being towed. Why the are my cars being towed? I'm not climbing the down. Put my car's back down. I'm not doing this. We've had zero warnings, zero anything. You're arresting my girlfriend for parked car. What the is going on?
I just got here.
Okay, so explain.
Let's start it out. You pulling up like this and being hot.
I was doing the speed limit. I'm not doing anything illegal. I'm not doing anything hotter than you guys are doing right now.
I just got here, sir. So, what's going on your side?
I show up to all my cars being towed away and
Okay.
someone being arrested.
Are they in the roadway?
No, they were parked here.
Sir, can you help me understand what's going on here?
Well, now that if this is your vehicle,
Yes.
and you can prove ownership, now you'll have to pay the release fee.
No, why? I didn't do anything. Why is it getting towed?
It's illegally parked at a roadway hazard.
I just got here too, sir.
Okay, so
But-
what the is going on?
Sir, I just got here. I was talking
Who do I
about
need to
sir.
talk to? You're messing with the wrong people. You were going to be sued. I probably make more than you make in a third.
I
year.
have
Step
no-
back to me.
I have no idea what this is.
You want to take possession of your friend's property? It's up there on the car.
No, I want to take possession of my shit.
You don't
that was
want to take
parked in my
possession of
front
it?
yard. What's illegal about being parked in the fire? Explain
You're not
that
going
law
to take possession of that?
Explain the law to me.
You're
What
not
is
going to take
illegal?
possession of that property, then we'll have to put it in ours.
I just
What's
got here,
illegal
sir.
about it being parked right there?
No one can answer any questions. You're just taking my shit. with
Sir,
no
I just got
explanation.
here to search someone.
Well,
So I don't know if I don't know what's going on.
So probably bringing her out now with him.
No, I'm not gonna regret it right now.
But that'll just aggravate.
Yeah.
So I want to try to find out what she wants to do with the property.
am I being ignored?
And
I'm getting cheesed.
What are we doing here? You
Stop
guys,
asking questions.
you guys done then? Can you get the out of here?
No.
We're on the public roadway, man.
Okay, just shut
So
up.
was my car.
Oh, let's tow this shit. Is it? Oh, it's registered.
No one has
What do
any
you mean,
Where's
logical
my
answer.
girlfriend now?
I'm going to go around the other side and ask her what she
Why
wants
you
to do.
just pull my shit? I'm being ignored. Venice Police
Hey,
Department.
don't worry. We're gonna sue the out of that.
So what property here is yours? The house is yours? Are the vehicles yours too?
Rather than diffusing the situation, he boasted about making more money than the officers, as if that somehow placed him above the law. His self-appointed king of the street attitude turned the entire incident into a public embarrassment, one that spiraled with every arrogant word.
Can you give the title to Chester as well?
Yeah. You want to step out real quick?
Title's in the waistband of my leggings. Oh, I guess it's not. I thought it was.
This is for the.
I was holding the title, so is it on the street or something?
I gotta check you real quick. It might be under the car. You wearing a bra?
Yeah.
Do you have anything that's gonna hit in the bra?
No.
Money, change, needles, nothing like that?
No.
Just gonna stick or poke me?
No.
Okay, I have to check. I'm sorry. Where's your feet apart?
Not my first rodeo. I'd be jealous too if I made my yearly salary as your life income.
And you're just gonna ignore me, huh?
You made a statement. Do you have a question?
I have a million questions. You guys won't answer them. You answer them with the vaguest, dumbest, like, I don't know what's going on, and that's because you guys won't explain it. You don't know.
Please step back.
I'm
Thank you.
respectful.
Oh,
Thank you.
Dude, you don't have to do shit. You don't have to step back for shit.
Well, they shoot, so.
I shoot too.
I really wasn't doing. All I was doing was asking this officer to wait 2 more minutes for him to show up, and then he's just slammed me against the car and said you're under arrest. Okay. Can you see that shot? I mean, obviously, I'm taking. I can take that. To
I'm
court.
just.
I know.
Yeah, I'm just
I'm
getting
sure
here.
You can't do anything. About
I don't
it,
know
but
what
I'm
went on. I'm just getting here. I was asked to come here for a search.
I mean, you can look at his body cam footage and
Yeah.
show exactly.
We all have.
Both tried to dodge accountability, blaming the officers instead of facing their own wrongdoing. As things slipped out of their control, his frustration turned to passive-aggressive rants. But no amount of shouting could cover up the truth. They were in the wrong from the start.
Search.
Okay.
She's been taken to the Sarasota County Jail.
Do you know how far the bar is?
For Talon, it's on Pan Am. Are you familiar with Northport?
I'm like pretty new to this area.
Talon Towin, Talon.
10 miles from here?
Yeah, it's not far.
You shut the f*** up. We're not talking to you.
And I'm not trying to have an attitude. Talent towing.
Not trying to have an attitude as you take all my
okay.
shit. Yeah, it's great.
You want to Google it real quick when I'm here? I can tell you if it's right on or not.
And they're closed.
How old are you?
I gotta find my eyeglasses.
Drop him?
I may have when she was twisting around.
Where do you think he's standing?
Nope. I'm about there. I'm good. Are those her glasses or mine?
They were on the car. They're mine now.
Well, they look a lot like mine.
They were on the car.
So now we're good.
I'm not doing it.
Why are you running?
Hey,
You're
get
not
off
doing
my
anything
property.
wrong.
Off my property. Can we just
I think he has my eyeglasses, and you just threw them in there.
You gave them to me.
They were sitting.
Off my property.
They
Off
were
my
sitting
property.
on the
Yes,
car.
on my car, and you told me to get them.
Are those
on my car.
Are those my officer's glasses or not? Do you want to be charged with theft, Chester?
Okay, fine. You want your glasses?
Yeah, after you threw them, if they're damaged, you're going to get charged with criminal
You
mischief.
already scratched the up. Calm down. Where do they even go?
You threw them in here somewhere.
You want a flashlight?
No, they're brand new. Good to go.
Officer Nick,
Are those yours or hers?
yours?
Those are mine.
Thank you.
In the end, the woman was charged with obstructing an officer after repeatedly refusing lawful commands and interfering with the vehicle tow. The penalty? A fine, probation, or up to 1 year in jail under state law. A couple pulled back down to reality by the law. Some try to block the cops. Others think they can outrun the law itself. In Geneva Cook, the second one just happened. On August 14, 2024 in Wisconsin, a car blew past a stop sign and started circling the Geneva Cook neighborhood like traffic laws didn't exist. Dispatch got a flood of 911 calls. The driver was clearly trying to dodge police and putting the entire neighborhood in danger. And from there, things spiraled fast.
You got a camera.
Watch out, watch out.
Hold on.
Kate, watch out.
Stop.
You got that. You got that.
Oh, it almost hit us. It's going east on Geneva at Cook right now, south on Cook.
Maybe 1080, just so you know.
We got.
It's my son.
Hold on. Oh, gee. It's going to go in north on Madison at Geneva.
Somebody get some stop sticks down, please.
Oh, just hold the kid. She's going around the same way. Ray, if you're near, see if we can block her off, please.
Sticks right in front of the library. Just gonna keep doing the same thing.
Okay, we're on Geneva again, going back to Cook. So if we can get her boxed in, that would be the greatest plan.
Go, 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 go.
Stop. Stop sticks right there. Chief, hold on.
Got him.
Hold on, yep. Oh, we had stop sticks. She hit. Yep.
Got him. Careful, Teach, careful.
Yep.
Careful.
Hey, please! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car right now! Ma'am, get out of the car!
When someone keeps looping around a residential block, it usually means one of three things: panic. Mental driving in endless circles through a neighborhood usually means one of three things: panic, psychological instability, or a calculated move to mislead the police. As the car's tire gave out and officers began closing in, the suspect's daughter suddenly exited the vehicle. In that split second of distraction, the mother hit the gas and made one more reckless escape before the cops could react.
No. Nope. Hey, hold on. Go on. got it.
Crash.
Ray, I'm coming up behind you.
Geneva, I'm pinning.
You're on the ground, Ray. Hey, EMS coming.
Okay.
There's more kids in there. Hey, Jason, go find Chief. He's got a kid that was in the car. I don't see anybody, Joe.
She turned right 17 times, and not once in the right direction. This wasn't panic. It was a literal loop, with her mind trapped somewhere between hallucination and reality. She could no longer tell what was a dream, and what was the waking nightmare she was steering herself into.
Injured? Are you injured?
No.
Okay.
Ray, you okay?
I'm good.
Okay.
Yep, I just pinned with our car to stop it. So we'll get there when we're all done, but...
Joe, can you take some pictures, please?
Yep.
Thank you. Man, what's your first name?
Alicia.
Alicia, what's going on today? My name's Katie, okay? Is there anything we could help you out with? Are you okay?
Can you take these handcuffs off?
I can't, unfortunately. What's going on today?
I'm just trying to wake up from a really bad dream.
Okay. Okay.
I'm trying to wake up from a really bad dream and we're all living in the Matrix.
Okay.
I copy. She just told me she's trying to wake up from a bad dream.
I'm not crazy.
Okay, we're not saying that.
No. We're just worried about you.
Yeah.
We're just worried about you, okay? Is there anybody else in the car?
No, you have my daughter.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Seemed like you were just kind of stuck in a loop there. Are you okay?
I am.
The passenger, or all the airbags deployed, and looks like you got some your blood on your mouth. Are you injured at all?
No, I'm not.
No? Okay. Do you have like an ID on you or anything in the car here?
My ID is in the car.
It's in the car. Okay.
Mom's okay, alright? You want a sticker?
You know, like the sticky tape.
Yeah.
I used to watch like this guy. He used to put like tape on it, and then it was bad. He was like screaming.
Ow. Yeah, that does hurt.
Whose car is this?
This is my vehicle.
Is your vehicle? Is it registered to you too?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I'm not really sorry though.
No, it's all good. And does this happen a lot?
No, this is the first time for sure.
First time. Okay.
Yeah, maybe it's happened one other time.
One other time. Up in Edgerton or somewhere else?
I'm not really sure because I have PTSD and CPTSD and my memories aren't that great.
Okay. Is there any weapons in the car for my safety here?
In the middle of the chaos, she was finally subdued, bringing an end to a dangerous episode she believed was all a dream. And once the dust settled, the woman began explaining what really happened. The officers, they shifted from high alert to calm control, because now everything was firmly in their hands.
Okay. Are you okay?
Hi, my name's Tim.
Okay.
I'm with the fire department. What happened?
I was driving in a bunch of circles repeatedly, and then I crashed into this vehicle because I was going too fast.
Okay. Any alcohol today?
No, sir.
Okay. Any drugs?
Yes, sir.
What drugs do you take today?
Cocaine and ketamine.
Cocaine and ketamine? Okay. Do you know how much?
I really don't, honestly.
Okay. Do you have it on you right now?
Yes, sir, I do.
Where's it at?
It's in my purse in there.
Okay. Are you okay if we check you out in the ambulance? Make sure you're not hurt?
No, that's it. No, I just need a second.
Search her.
I have not searched her, no.
I'm gonna have you roll up on your side here, okay? You ready to stand up with me? I'm gonna get you on your butt, okay?
One more second, please.
Can I get you on your butt at least?
No, I just need a second. Please, I just need 1 second.
All right, here we go. On your butt. Or on your feet. Okay. There you go. Yep. Thanks. Can we have you sit right here? There we go. Swing your feet up on there for us. Excellent. There you go. You have any pain right now?
She was placed on a stretcher for medical evaluation, but quickly refused, an unmistakable sign of emotional numbness. Moments later, she was asked to perform a sobriety test, but she still didn't get it. This wasn't just a check for alcohol. It was living proof of the chaos she had just unleashed.
Glasses or contacts? Do you wear
Oh, no, I'm
prescription
sorry.
glasses? No, it's okay. I figured I'd ask. So I'm going to move my finger from side to side. I want you to focus right here on the tip of my finger, and then don't move your head. Just follow with your eyes. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? I think you might be answering.
I'm sorry, I was just overthinking.
That's okay. Do you understand though what I'm saying?
Yes, I can understand the words you're saying, but I can't concentrate right now.
I understand there's probably a lot of stuff going through your mind. Don't move your head. Just follow my finger. Keep going. We're almost done. At least you're right here. Okay? Right here.
I'm sorry, can I have a moment?
Yeah.
I'm just...
Yeah, tell me. I'm going to have you stand back up so we can complete the test, unless you don't want to complete the test.
Honestly, I don't...
All you have to do is just do your best, okay?
I'm sorry,
okay.
Could you repeat that?
Just do your best. That's all you have to do, okay?
Don't move your head, just your eyes. All right, so the next test is a walking and a balancing test. Just watch me as I explain and demonstrate the test. You understand so far?
Could you repeat that? I didn't
Yeah. Just watch me as I show you how to do the test. So watch me as I do it.
Can I have just a second?
No,
Again.
we're kind of done with the seconds here, okay? All right, so when I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps on the line. You're going to do a turn, and you're going to do 9 heel-to-toe steps back. Go ahead and begin.
In the end, she was arrested and hit with a long list of charges: fleeing police, running stop signs, reckless driving, driving under the influence with a child under 16, child neglect, possession of cocaine, ketamine, and drug paraphernalia. In Wisconsin, stacking these charges could land her anywhere from 3 to 10 years behind bars, thousands in fines, permanent license suspension, and the complete loss of custody. On top of that, she's court-ordered into rehab and mandatory psychological evaluations. But if you thought this was bad, next is a dangerous night in Ohio, where every boundary was ignored. On the night of September 10th, 2023 in Ohio, a vehicle swerved onto sidewalks, drifted across lanes, drove without headlights, and ignored police signals. Behind the wheel, a woman who didn't seem to care much for traffic laws. But what came next was even more alarming than how she was driving.
For Edward King 9074, for Edward King 9074 in a black Nissan.
Hey, what's going on? What took you so long to stop for me?
I'm trying to go home.
You're what?
Trying to go home.
You're trying to go,
Home.
home? Okay, where's that at? Can you shut the car off for me, please?
Yes, I can.
Perfect. Where are you coming from tonight?
A friend's house.
Where's that at?
So,
Here, I'll take the keys from you. I don't really want you going anywhere the way you were driving. You know you hit a curb back there? You ran over a curb and everything. You're all over the place. Did you know that?
I'm just trying to go home because tomorrow I'm going home to Maryland.
I'm sorry?
Tomorrow I'm going home
Okay.
to Maryland.
Oh, okay.
So I'm trying to go to my parents' house.
Okay, where do your parents live? Where's that in reference to Sunbury Road?
It's like 3 miles.
3 miles? Which way? Like this way, that way, that way?
Yes, up the block.
Okay. Cool. How much you had to drink tonight?
I've had 1 drink.
1 drink? What was it?
Jack.
A Jack? Jack Daniels? Like a full bottle of Jack Daniels?
No, like a shot.
Like a shot? Okay, that's all you've had to drink tonight? You haven't had anything else?
I'm 180 pounds.
You're 180 pounds?
So, yep, I'm just trying to go home.
Okay.
And go to sleep.
Okay.
Because tomorrow I'm going back to Maryland.
Okay, I got you. All right.
She claimed she was from Maryland, weighed 180 pounds, and only had 1 shot of Jack Daniels. When asked to do a sobriety test, she suddenly remembered she'd had hip surgery. Not exactly a coincidence. Officers weren't buying it and suspected she was just trying to dodge the test.
Do you want to step out of the car for me and do some tests just to make sure you're okay to drive?
I'm good to drive.
You're not okay to drive. You ran over a curb. You were in and out of your lane all over the place. I lit you up. You kept driving.
I can park it if you want me to.
No, we're not going to do that. We're gonna step out of the car, okay?
Because I don't live here.
I'm sorry?
I do not live here.
Okay, that's fine. Your parents live here though, right?
And it's ridiculous.
I'm sorry?
It's ridiculous.
What's ridiculous? I wanna make sure you're okay to drive.
I don't want to.
Why's that?
Because I'm handicapped and I don't really...
I'm sorry?
I'm handicapped.
Okay. What do you mean by that? Like what? Your ankles?
No, I've had like because I'm right by my house. I've had.
Okay. So you said you had 1 Jack Daniels tonight?
Yes.
Give me an idea of what that was exactly.
1 Jack Daniels.
Okay.
I'm just trying to go home to my parents' house and go to sleep.
Okay, well, I want to make sure you're okay to drive.
Yes.
So, what's the issue with you stepping out of the car with me and making sure that you're okay to drive?
Because
based
I am
on what
because I told you I am handicapped.
Right, but you can walk, right? You don't need like a cane to walk or anything. I mean, I'm just going to check your eyes. You're not handicapped in your eyes? I'm sorry?
Sometimes I do.
What do you mean?
Need a handicap, Yes, I do.
Okay. But here's the thing. If I can check your eyes, you can sit down on my front bumper.
You can't see it.
No.
I just want to go home. I'm like 2 miles.
Okay, well here's the thing. We're a little bit past that point because based on my observations, based on you driving, like it is not safe for you to be on the road with how you were driving.
When told to step out of the car, she kept using her hip surgery excuse. Conveniently timed and oddly specific, enough to raise even more red flags. In Ohio, refusing to take a field sobriety test gives cops full legal grounds to arrest you on suspicion of OVI.
Now you're going northbound on Sunbury Road all over the place, almost hitting curbs, and then you turn into here. I had my lights on the whole time.
If you want me to park and take a lift from here,
we're past that point.
Or if you want to follow me to my house.
No, that's not how we do things. They don't do that in Maryland. Is that where you're from?
I'm from here.
They don't do that in Maryland. They don't do that in Ohio. Okay, we don't do that in Ohio.
See if she'll do alphabet numbers.
Okay. Do you know what's your highest level of education?
I have a bachelor's and a master's.
You have a bachelor's and a master's? Okay. Would it be fair to say that you know the alphabet?
Yes.
Okay.
But I'm not gonna get out of the car and do all of that. So.
No, you can do the alphabet in here.
Okay.
Okay. What I want you to do is I want you to start at the letter F without singing and end at T. Okay, without singing. So start at the letter F.
C-H-I-G. Right?
Start at the letter F and end at T without singing.
F-I-G-H-I-D-B-L-G-O-T. Right?
I don't know, is that right?
I mean, this is ridiculous.
Okay.
Okay.
Is that all you got for
I live
me?
like 2 miles, like not even 2 blocks from here. I don't know.
I can't help you there. So. Alright, you want to step out of the car for me? You don't want to?
What's your first name?
What's your first name?
You want me to call my attorney?
I'm sorry?
Ma'am, you're under arrest right now, okay?
Education doesn't equal common sense. Someone who truly understands the law knows when it's time to own up. But this Karen had other plans. Out of excuses, she played the race card, trying to flip the script and paint herself as the victim.
You're under arrest. You're under arrest, okay?
Why?
Please step out for us.
Are you for real?
Yes.
If you don't step
Why?
out, then we have to help you out and place you in
Literally,
handcuffs.
like I'm in town to take care of my parents.
Okay, step out
That's the
for us.
only reason why I'm in town, and I'm like 2 minutes from my parents' house.
Okay.
And like, why are y'all like doing
Step-
this? I went to Westerville North High School. Like, why are you?
Ma'am, you're under
We're
arrest.
asking
Step
you
out the car.
nicely.
Stop reaching. Don't reach. Stop reaching.
Oh, I
I'm telling you
can't
to
call
stop.
my attorney.
We will do that, okay? Step out for me.
Okay, don't
Step
you
out
have
for
to
me.
touch me.
Step
You don't have
you
to.
are under arrest.
I am going to come out.
You are under
okay,
arrest.
You don't have
Well,
to do that.
when I tell you to stop reaching, you're
Okay, I'm
continuing
gonna
to
come
reach.
out. Okay,
you
I'm
need
gonna
to step
come
out. Okay.
Don't do that, please.
Step out.
Please stop doing that.
Move your feet out.
Step out.
Move your legs out so you don't fall. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay.
Seriously,
Wait,
are you
hold
going to
up,
make us drag you out of
Hold
the
up,
car?
stop. I told you I was. I told you I was.
Okay.
Roll over.
Place your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
No, I'm not resisting.
No.
Why are you guys doing this? I'm not resisting.
Stop pulling your arm.
This is what you do to black people. Radio 541. I'm not resisting.
Stand by. We had to pull out the card.
There's no reason for y'all to do that.
This one's got to be tighter.
Well, that's why we were asking you to step out.
I was trying to step.
You weren't trying to step out, man. You're doing everything but
Why
trying
are
to
you
step out.
doing this?
You're under
This is,
arrest,
like,
okay?
ridiculous.
You're under
This
arrest.
is ridiculous.
Once handcuffed, she switched from defiance to whining, demanding to call family. But her whole act crumbled when police found illegal substances in her bag. There was nowhere left to hide.
Can't because I'm
well,
I have a handicap.
I don't want to bruise you. I know women bruise you, so I don't want to.
No,
Can you bring your knees up to your belly?
No, because
There we go.
handicapped.
Your handicap? You have anything in the car that you need a cane or anything?
No.
Okay. All right. Let's walk back to the car. Okay.
You're driving while intoxicated, that's why.
I just want to go home.
Okay, well that's not going to happen anymore.
Can you walk back here for me? There you go.
Can I get my phone? Can I call
Yeah,
my
we're
mother?
going to work on that.
I gotta call my mother.
We're going to. We're going to.
We're going to work on that. If you cooperate with us, I will give you a
I'm
phone
trying
call.
to cooperate with y'all, but I need to call my parents.
Okay, we'll get to that. We have
They
other things we
live,
have to
like-
do right now.
No. They live too.
We will. I told you we will. It's just going to take time, okay?
They're like 2 blocks up the street.
I will call your parents.
They're so disappointed in me.
Can you sit in the car for me, please?
Nobody's perfect. Everybody makes mistakes, okay?
The sooner you sit in your car, the sooner we will call your parents.
Call them.
We will. We will. Step back here and sit there for me, okay? There you go. Keep going back. Keep going back. There you go. Slide your butt up there. You're going to have to kind of boost yourself up, all right?
Can you please call them?
We will. Come on, let's get your legs in.
The sooner you sit in the car, the sooner we will call your parents.
We're just going up to the Westboro Police Department.
That's all we're doing.
And we'll call your parents, all right? We will. Can you hop in for us? He's going to help you get up in the seat if you can't get up, okay? He's going to have to go on that side. The other officer's going to help get you up here, okay? I'm going to lift your legs, and he's going to...
I can't.
You got it that way? Okay, there we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. We're going to get your keys and your phone and everything.
Turns out she had 0.21 grams of cocaine on her. Not even close to 5 grams, but still a 5th-degree felony in Ohio. That carries 6 to 12 months in prison, up to $2,500 in fines, and community control. As for the OVI, if it's a repeat or the BAC is too high, she's looking at 10 to 180 days in jail, fines between $300 and $1,500, and a license suspension for 1 to 5 years. From a roadside confrontation to something quieter, but far more heartbreaking, police now face a different kind of neglect. On July 27, 2023, officers responded to an apartment after reports that 2 children, ages 9 and 2, were left home alone overnight. When they opened the door, it wasn't just mess they found, it was a nightmare. The older girl was shaking, crying for her grandmother. The 2-year-old was soaked, left in a dirty diaper all night. Trash, cigarettes, and signs of drug use filled the apartment. No child deserves to grow up in a place like this.
Alexa? Okay, could you come with us, please?
Are you dad? Yeah, we're getting. Okay. Okay. It's gonna be a few minutes. If you don't mind hanging out.
Yeah, I can hang out. Just here to support her and bring her down.
Okay. All right. Appreciate it. So.
All
right. I'm back. Okay.
Okay, because of the circumstances, you're at the PD, you're in the interview room, I have to advise you of your rights. It's a bit of a formality, but not something I have to do. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
I do.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now? Okay, so...
I am getting a lawyer, but yeah.
Sure, okay, so...
Do you want to have them here, or you said... You kind of already know what's going on, right? So I kind of explained it to you on the phone.
Right.
Right.
What is your guys' extent? What's the definition of extended?
What do you mean extended?
Like extended period of time. I understand what I did.
Okay.
Not right.
Afternoon, morning.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's the. We'll be honest with you. That's not what.
No, I did leave the night before I came back home.
Okay.
Yeah.
And she was still.
No, they were not. They were. Yeah.
Okay.
So you're saying you left at 1, but you came back?
Yeah, absolutely. I talked to my neighbor. She lives right next door to me, and told her, I was like, hey, keep an eye on them. You know, she was in the shower when you guys were there, and I was like, how did you miss that? And yeah,
And then,
that's why I was asking.
Who missed that?
My neighbor.
Okay.
My next door neighbor. We were best friends in high school. She happens to be my neighbor, and I told her like, hey, I'm keeping an eye on them. I'll be right. I planned on being right back, but.
The mother casually admitted she'd been gone for hours, supposedly leaving the kids in the care of a neighbor, though no one could confirm that. This wasn't babysitting, it was abandonment. And the price was 2 scared children left in filth and danger.
In generally speaking, a 9-year-old cannot take care of a 2-year-old and might be left unattended, right?
Sure.
So that's where the charge comes.
Legally, yes.
Yeah,
yes.
legally.
Yeah,
yep.
legally.
And given the conditions that the house was in, right? The fact that the 2-year-old was soiled, she had urinated through her diaper, through her clothes, and been an extended period of time, clearly since the diaper had been changed, right? Law enforcement officers, we have to.
No, I understand, absolutely.
And we as officers have that right to then take children into protective custody and notify DCFS if there's no way for them to be cared for at that time, right? So, and that's exactly what we did. So we've been on the phone, we were on the phone, and correct? And they helped take care of the girls. Did you come home in the morning?
I was picking my cousin up. She works at Central Avenue Tech in Edward. She got off around like 1, and she goes by down early, dropped her off, and went home, and they were asleep.
Okay.
Yeah. They were up for a while, so they obviously slept in, but yeah.
Okay.
No, you can talk to my neighbor. I mean, she can attest to that.
So after you dropped her off at 1, about what time would you say you got back?
Last night?
What would have been this morning?
No, I mean, technically, I guess, but like, I dropped my cousin.
What'd you do after that, once you got, after dropping her off?
I went home, went to sleep.
And then, did you leave again?
At 1 in the afternoon the next day, yes.
On the afternoon?
The next day, yes.
So today?
Yeah.
Okay, so you left at 1.
So does B is gone already?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is
Oh,
yeah.
no.
So who
Absolutely not,
can
no.
confirm what you're telling us? Okay.
Absolutely.
This woman let her children live in a space clouded with smoke, drug residue, and absolute squalor, a direct threat to their safety and well-being. That's not just neglect, that's a complete disregard for their lives.
Has stuff like this happened before?
No.
Is it
Yeah, we'll sit with each other's
Washington
kids, I'll sit with her kids, absolutely, absolutely.
She's in an apartment?
Yeah, literally my next door neighbor, we were best friends in high school.
Does she have kids?
She has 2 girls.
About the same age, or
They're a little older than mine, but yeah.
a little bit younger?
Yeah.
Is there anybody else that would have come and gone from that, or did you have anybody else with you, or?
I dropped my cousin off, and no.
But nobody else came back to the apartment or anything like that? Okay. Was that a last minute thing to go pick her up, or was that?
No. Okay. She did her car, got struck at work, and yeah, that was.
Watch your kids pretty often?
I wouldn't say often, but like if we're gonna run somewhere or whatever, I mean, she's right next door, it's convenient and it helps, so.
How well do you know her?
She knows her, yeah, she plays with her daughter, and like I said, they're a little bit, she's used to her friends are either way younger or way older, so. Our youngest daughters are about the same age, and.
Where you drop her off?
Like, probably 5, 10 years old. She lives, East Moline.
East Moline?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you dropped her off, and then went home. How long do you think that whole thing took? From going to pick her up at 1-ish. The bars close at 1?
She got closed down early, so yeah. Like 30 minutes. I ran the trash out with her, and we immediately left and dropped her off. Didn't even get out of the car. I didn't get put in park, and went home. Still trying to figure that out. Her boyfriend is dealing with that as we speak. I hit a deer and it my car out.
So when you got back, you just went to bed pretty much immediately?
Yeah.
And the girls were asleep at that time?
Mm-hmm.
What time do you think you woke up today?
I'm not sure. Kind of early, honestly.
Where were the girls sleeping in the house? Were they in the living room or upstairs? Okay, on the couch. Both of them?
Probably,
She showed no remorse for abandoning or mistreating her kids. And truth be told, not everyone who gives birth deserves to be called a mother. It seemed like for her, chasing a man mattered more than the love and responsibility she owed to her own children.
Where were you at when we started talking?
I walked to her apartment.
You were at her apartment in East Moline?
Yeah, East Moline. I would have just walked home if I knew, but I mean, that would have been a hell of a walk, but still.
Who was the ride that you said you were going to get? You said that you had a ride, but then...
My friend, but he had to go to work, and so, thankfully my dad is in town.
Where's your dad from?
He's from here, but we just took a job out in Colorado, and he's in town for my birthday.
Okay.
Yeah.
For the caseworker?
No, yeah. I'm just, what does that entail?
They will conduct their investigation and determine whether or not, basically, that you're fit to take care of them at that point, right? So until that point, until they make their final decision, and it goes to court, then they... Court? Well, not necessarily the criminal case, but the family court matter. So they decide and they get an order for the children. Do you guys have copies of that paperwork somewhere?
I do.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know.
So that's where things are right now. Like I said, you're going to be contacted by DCFS in the future. I can't say when.
It has to be within 24 to 48 hours.
And I'm sure they will contact you tomorrow before the weekend. So.
Yeah. But as a safety plan, but like there's no safety plan in place because nothing was signed by both parties. So like.
The plan is that right now that they're both in the care of.
That's not her dad.
Well, she's with your mom now. Both of them
She
are
has
staying.
a dad, and that's not. See, there is no safety. You understand what I'm saying? There is no. That's not a safety plan. That's not what they would do.
That's the plan that we have in place.
Yeah, well,
Okay. Not we, but DCFS.
she can go with her dad. She don't even. Yeah, she has a dad.
Police later uncovered social media evidence, including Snapchat posts from around midnight, showing Alexa partying while her kids were left alone. With DCFS stepping in, this was no longer just poor judgment. This had become a full-blown child welfare case.
We're gonna do all the booking here, and then we'll give you a court date.
It's not like the old days where you sit
Yeah.
in jail for misdemeanor. This is
We just.
Not that I want to go to jail or anything, but that's crazy. I don't know. When they passed that the big first of the year?
These laws came into effect about 2019.
Kind of like not good.
Not that bad.
Not quite.
No, but like bad.
Crimes
like
against
stuff.
people, felonies, still better go.
Really?
Mm.
I see. I
Domestic
think
battery still
they
goes.
do. Is it? They make it sound bad. Like you can. I don't know. I see stuff on the news or like people.
So on a court date.
When will that be?
We'll get to that. Yes. You gotta, like I said, fill out all the paperwork.
Okay. So you have a court date on the 28th of August. If you'd come over here, please, and sign. You read here. This is just goes over explaining everything. You know, you're no bond. You're just gonna have it's just that a notice that you're gonna appear on the 28th.
Questions, comments, concerns, something?
Okay. Okay. We'll let you out the back. We out front.
Yeah. Let's go. Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Take care.
Eventually, the mother was charged with endangering the life or health of a child. But because it wasn't an offense that required immediate jail time, she was released after processing and ordered to appear in court on August 28th. Do you think a mother like this deserves another chance to raise her children? One lie can't save a life. One camera can change everything. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think below.